Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Let's Get Making, where we're going to make things from scratch or we're going to make things better. Let's see what we got going today. So today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the Ryobi 10-inch table saw. So here we have all the parts, the instructions laid out for easy assemble. So here we are, all assembled, ready to go. So there you have it, guys. First video made, new addition to the shop. More to come. We're going to build a table saw stand that can roll around the garage, get it out of the way for when the cars come in. Look for that video next. If you've enjoyed the content, please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.